Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G32 and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting one of your chats. Now click on this plus at the bottom left corner. Click on Files section and select your files right away. You can tap on one of those apps. Click on those three lines at the top left corner to select one of those sources. Or simply tap on Audio and Videos filters at the top. Now just hold your file that you wish to add and hit Select at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my audio file was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!